There are a lot products available to decide upon Christmas tree, every different with different characteristics, amazing benefits, and prices. To help you create an informed decision, I did so extensive research, read many reviews, and compiled here are the best Christmas tree from reputable labels. After much research, I recently came across these products, much of great help for people like you. Should you wish to know about the price and various other information, be sure my description. So without the need. Number 1. National Tree Company Artificial Full Christmas Tree, Green,
Elevate your holiday festivities with the National Tree Company Artificial Full Christmas Tree in a lush Dunhill fir design. This exquisite artificial tree brings the beauty of a natural fir into your home, without the hassle of maintenance. Standing tall and verdant at its full height, this tree creates a festive focal point for your seasonal celebrations. Crafted with precision, the lifelike branches of the Dunhill fir mimic the appearance of real fir needles, providing a full and realistic look. The rich green color enhances the tree's authenticity, making it a stunning addition to your holiday decor year after year. Setting up your Christmas tree is a breeze with the included sturdy stand, ensuring stability and security throughout the holiday season. The tree's full profile allows ample space for your cherished ornaments and decorations, creating a picturesque display that captures the spirit of Christmas. Constructed by the renowned National Tree Company, this artificial Christmas tree is crafted with quality materials to ensure durability and longevity. Say goodbye to the challenges of real trees, such as shedding needles and the need for constant watering, and embrace the convenience and beauty of an artificial Dunhill fir. Make this holiday season memorable with the National Tree Company Artificial Full Christmas Tree, a hassle-free, timeless centerpiece that radiates the warmth and joy of Christmas.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay, all I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror.
Number 2. Artificial Holiday Christmas Pine Tree for Home, Office.
Want saving, I like to be my own worst.
Elevate your festive decor with the best choice products. 6 feet premium hinged artificial Christmas pine tree, a perfect blend of convenience and holiday charm. This meticulously crafted tree is designed to bring the spirit of Christmas to your home or office, without the hassle of a natural tree. Standing at an ideal height of 6 feet, this premium artificial pine tree boasts a full and lush profile, creating a captivating focal point for your holiday celebrations. The hinge design simplifies assembly, allowing you to effortlessly set up and take down the tree, making it a practical choice for both home and office spaces. Crafted with care, the lifelike branches of this Christmas tree mimic the texture and appearance of real pine needles. The rich green color adds a touch of authenticity, providing a canvas for your favorite ornaments and decorations to shine. The sturdy metal stand ensures stability, keeping your tree securely in place throughout the festive season. Whether adorning your living room, office space, or any corner in need of holiday cheer, this premium artificial pine tree from Best Choice Products is a versatile and elegant choice. Say goodbye to the challenges of traditional trees, such as shedding needles and the constant need for watering, and embrace the hassle-free beauty of artificial foliage. Create lasting memories with the Best Choice Products. 6 feet. Number 3. Goplus 5 feet artificial Christmas tree, Unliquid. Transform your holiday space with the Goplus 5 feet artificial Christmas tree, a charming and versatile addition to your festive decor. This Unli Christmas pine tree offers a blank canvas for you to customize with your favorite lights and ornaments, allowing you to create a personalized and festive display. Standing at a comfortable 5 feet, this artificial Christmas tree is the perfect size to grace your living room, office, or any corner that needs a touch of holiday magic. The lifelike design of the pine branches adds a natural and inviting element to your space, while the absence of pre-strung lights gives you the freedom to adorn it according to your unique style. Crafted with attention to detail, the Goplus Christmas tree features a sturdy and durable construction that ensures stability throughout the holiday season. The easy. Number 4. Premium Spruce Artificial Holiday Christmas Tree for Home, Office. Elevate your festive atmosphere with our premium spruce artificial holiday Christmas tree, an exquisite blend of sophistication and seasonal charm, designed for your home, office, or party decoration. Standing tall and proud, this lifelike artificial spruce tree is the perfect canvas for creating lasting holiday memories. At a height designed to impress, this premium Christmas tree becomes a statement piece in any setting. Its meticulously crafted spruce branches exude a natural beauty, creating a full and lush profile that captures the essence of a traditional holiday tree. The realistic design sets the stage for your unique decorations, making it an ideal centerpiece for your celebrations. Crafted with durability in mind, the premium spruce artificial Christmas tree is constructed to stand the test of time. The hassle-free assembly ensures a quick and easy setup, allowing you to focus on the joy of decorating and making your space come alive with festive cheer. Whether gracing your living room, office, or serving as a captivating backdrop for your party decorations, this premium spruce tree provides a versatile and elegant solution.
Never really know what's going on. Looking
Number 5. Best Choice Product 6 feet pre-decorated holiday Christmas tree for home, office.
hear me out.
Experience the magic of the season with the Best Choice Products 6 feet pre-decorated holiday Christmas tree, a hassle-free and enchanting centerpiece crafted for your home, office, or party decoration needs. This meticulously designed tree comes pre-adorned with festive ornaments, saving you time while adding a touch of elegance to your holiday celebrations. Standing tall at 6 feet, this Christmas tree exudes a majestic presence, becoming the focal point of any room it graces. The thoughtfully arranged decorations, including baubles, ribbons, and twinkling lights, create a harmonious and festive display that instantly sets the holiday mood. The pre-decorated convenience doesn't compromise on quality. The lifelike branches of the tree mimic the appearance of real evergreen needles, ensuring a full and lush profile that captures the spirit of a traditional Christmas tree. The sturdy base provides stability, allowing
Not okay, all I want, and I pray, all I need.
which is all from my conclusion. I make helpful video tutorials daily, so do register my channel. If you need more details or if in order to know product price, do have a look at my description. For almost any problem, please comment under. Stay updated with our cool products because it will